This is only for the ones who are in need of money, want to liquidate their gold instead of pledging it and paying interest on their own gold. This is an opportunity where they can liquidate their gold into the cash whenever they want.
So what is the benefits of such type of machines?
See, the benefit is, one is the whole transaction is very transparent, and the other benefit is we can save them from being classified as a defaulters or non-performing assets by various banks, and even they can save their name which comes in the newspaper as for auction. So if they come to us before the gold loan goes for auction, we purchase it and clear them from the debts.
It is also one. Such kind of shops and organizations can provide security for our money and then gold. I would like to request the public of Goa people may utilize such kind of organizations and institutions. It would be useful to the public. That's why those people try to inaugurate, try to establish such kind of organization or institution in the city of Goa. In future days, it would become very prosperous or very popular institution, business center